Right, people, we're going to look at the issues around the updated use of tiled maps in Python Arcade in this new version. It's all positive change, but there was some fiddling around to reuse what stuff that we've done before. So they've set us up with some examples. They're actually quite decent, and we'll be looking at those. But I'm going to start in tiled. I think that's the appropriate thing to do. Here's a tiled map that I was using previously. It's for a little Moonlander project, and it's a TMX file, moonmap.tmx it says up here. So the first thing we need to do is do a save as, waiting patiently, JSON. So that's the first major change that we need to make. So it doesn't change how the map looks, but it changes how it's formatted. Now I'm going to close this right now because there's also some other issues that we can resolve to do with these tiles and where they're situated. I know that some people have had problems with this, so if I close this, open the folder in which that's saved and go to moonmap.json, which now exists, I'm going to edit it in Notepad. And it's actually a fairly readable kind of file format. These are the layers, and it tells you it's kind of like a coordinate system, and there's a bunch of information in here. If you could be bothered, you could see quite clearly how it would work. And then because I've got this embedded tile set here, it says it's using this image, and you remember we mostly were using tiles.png. But it's in this location, technology drive 11com, etc., which you don't have access to very much. But we can fix that. So if we go back to here, I've got this resources page, and which is on the Python Arcade website, and this is the actual tiles.png. So if I open that in a new tab, that's the tile we're working with, and I can save that image in this folder, which I've already done, as we can see, so I won't save it again. And then going back into here, I can manipulate this path. We don't need all of that. We don't need that lot to be there. We can just say tiles.png, and it will look in the folder that we're currently in. I'm pretty sure that works fine. So if I now save that from Notepad, you'll notice I had closed tiled down. That's not open anymore. So if I go to tiled now, and let me open a recent file. Nope, just open it. All right, whatever. And wait patiently again. OBS really slows this computer down. But being computer people, we're very patient. And this is moonmap.json. This is looking at tiles.png, which is directly at this version, which is in this folder, but it's all just working, so that's all good. So that's the first step done. We've tidied this up, and we've now got a JSON file ready to import into our program, and that's what I'm going to do in the next video.